ineos Grenadier. First thing I did was take the engine cap off. See, it's all pretty molded in there. I think it's for sound dampening for the engine. Aside from that, put that there. Took the oil cap off. It's pretty deep in there, but took the oil cap off. Kind of helps out with the oil flow. Makes it come out a little easier. It's not so much of a vacuum inside there once you take the drain plug off. And next thing, just crawl underneath and got a little makeshift I don't know. It's a little makeshift sheet down there to keep from splashing oil everywhere, keep from making a big old mess in case that were to happen. So not so much to clean up afterwards. But go down there and figure out what this is. Lefty Lucy. Let it crack. All your jobs. Right there. Now it's trying to get low. All on my hands. It's nice and hot too. Love that. You got that ready? Thanks.
What would you do without me?
Ooh.
Hiya. It's everywhere. Okay.
Alright, here's the fun part. The old BMW B58 engines have the oil filters on the top side of the engine, so they love to make it nice and hard to get to, especially since it's tucked in the back of the engine compartment on the ineos. So I got a 1 1/4 socket all the way back here, and just kind of slowly take it off, loosen it up. So we don't get oil everywhere. That helps.
What'd you do?
Got a knuckle. Kind of gives me a little more room. Go in there. Take time with that. We go everywhere. I'm sorry for now. Back forth. Hold the drain out. I'll go last one there. Right here. Listen up. We'll sit there for a second. I'll go get. Well, fun thing I used to always do on my other vehicles. Let's take the new filter out. Right there. Grab the box. Have it ready. That way. And then go to finagle its way on out. Goes right in. And grab it with locks, keep it messing with your hands. Getting dirty on your hands. Gasket there. Straight in. It does have a little. Just got the little rings, makes it, it doesn't move around. Just pop it in. The little excess string off. Don't need that on there. I'm putting that in there. That's nice. On there pretty well. Let's see. finger. And rubbed around the gasket. New filter. It's gonna go back in there. Nice and easy, not to force it and break it, because it is kind of in an awkward position. Right on top. Yeah. Be a little optimistic.
So what is that?
Old knuckle just kind of makes it easier to get into tighter spots when the car manufacturers make it to where it's not easy to access anything anymore. Yeah, give me a second. Tiny little plug. Wipe it off, wipe it clean. Beautiful fiance likes to make fun of me for having so many coolers. They have multiple purposes. Buddy it on up to the wheel. Boom. Good to go. You'd think there'd be an easier way.
Can you turn it this way? Play it sideways.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. No, hold on. That's too big. Oh, fuck.
What are you trying to do?
Into the rack, so I don't want to get all in the engine bay.
Hold on.
So, one of these is engine's rather large. So it takes 6.8 quarts Those 5 quarts. 6 and 7. Just gotta make sure we don't overdo it. Just make sure the bottle's clean. That's gonna go in the back of the cab, just in case you need wax later on. The ineos and the BMW engines are kind of finicky. There's no level to check your dipstick on top. You have to, as soon as you do your oil change, drive it around for 30 minutes, let the vehicle warm up. Then you do a system test, make sure it's filled up enough. So I'll actually do that with everybody once you get everything secured and everything put away. So, like I said earlier, the BMW and ineos Grenadier, since they're using the BMW engine, is a little different. Doesn't have the dipstick on the top. Check the measurement like it's old vehicles do. So you gotta go, here's on CarPlay. When you're on CarPlay, click ineos, and then you come down to settings, and then vehicle functions, and I believe it is vehicle information, engine oil, and right here, level is okay. Measurement only allowed if vehicle is on level, operating temperature, and engine is started, transmission in neutral or park. Do not press the accelerator pedal. So we'll start the measurement. And just let it do its thing. It may take a few seconds, few minutes, but we'll let it do its thing. So refill 500 milliliters. So I guess what that means is I'm just gonna go turn this off, pop the hood again, and pour the rest of it in there. It should be fun.